Hi everyone, welcome back. Out in the barn, going to put the shelving unit together. Just got it in. It's going to be for my tools out here in the barn. It's got a whole room in the house, on the back of the house, full of tools, but get tired of going back and forth. So I bought this shelf to help me take care of that hassle, I guess you'd say. So I'm going to speed this up. It's just going to take a minute in real time. So. Got these little push buttons here. Clicks together. Nice and easy. I was kind of worried when it came to me in such a small box, but now I understand. Good, that's that. Okay, so this here is an anchor package. I'm not putting that on yet because I don't know exactly where I want it. And I'm not going to load it up before I do that. So anyway, that's something you should have, and it's keep things in order for you. It's got these S-hooks on it. If I wanted to, I could crimp them a little tighter, make sure they don't fall off. It's got adjustable wheels on the, or not wheels, but feet on the bottom, and you can, make it level, and that's it. So, let's see, we went 21 minutes is what this actually took. So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's sturdy. It can't come apart because of the way it's screwed together. And I think it's going to suit me just fine. So if you need something like this, this place, go ahead and get it. Bye now.